I just want to salute you, Dad, for what have you done. Just a salute. And I just bow down. I have no words. Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today, on this occasion of Father's Day, first of all, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. They are just unbelievable. So, I would like to dedicate this video to my dad and share with you all the things, the important things which I learned from him. It is so difficult to go to dad and express your love or gratitude towards him. So just because I have the platform, I am on YouTube, so I would like to take this opportunity to say something about my dad. But before I start, the one thing which obviously I want to do is salute you, Dad. You are just an amazing, and I bow down to you. Seriously, you are one of the amazing person I've ever come across. You and mom are always, and will always be the most favorite person in my life. After I lost my mom, you are the only one who gives me the hope. Dad, whenever I see you working so hard, it helps me to push myself more forward to ensure that you have an amazing future. And that is the one thing which keeps me pushing. That is the reason that I've kept your name as my inspiration in my phone. You are one of the person who have always inspired me. The way you have worked so hard all your life, I was constantly getting inspiration just by seeing you, the way you were working so hard. Seriously, you were, you are, and you will be a constant inspiration in my life. And that is why I didn't wanted to go out and search for the motivation and inspiration, because whenever I saw you, I was like, you have to push yourself, you have to do something better for your family. So you are my inspiration. I know you were not someone who believed in making the person sit and explaining him to do the things this way, that way. But trust me, Dad, whatever I am today, it's the thinking, the mindset. Mostly it is because of you. Just because I have observed you so closely. If you say how I am so hardworking, I just have one word. It's all because of you. Just because you were working so hard, it was so easy for me to work so hard, to rip my ass off day in, day out. Genuinely. If you ask me how I have that in me to help people around me, it's all because of you, Dad. I've been closely observing you for almost 23 years. The way you have always believed in helping the people around, that have stayed with me, that have helped me help the people around me. The one thing which I always want to keep as one of the biggest principles, and that is being humble, staying grounded. I've seen you. You are such a simple, amazing, easy to go person. That is what keeps me going. And I always tell to myself, no matter where I reach in life, I have to be humble. I have to stay grounded. These are some of the things which I've just learned from you. Just because I've seen you work so hard, put so much of dedication. That is why I have so much of dedication towards my work. Like whenever I start work, I ensure that I'm doing it and doing it with the best possible results. I've observed you respecting work so much. That's why I have so much of respect for whatever the work I do in my life. You seriously, I just sometimes I, as a person who have many things to say, but when it comes to you, I get lost for words, because you are seriously a gem of a person. You don't even know how good you are. The way you just keep smiling despite facing so much in life have helped me to stay motivated in my adversities. I was blessed that I had that in me to observe the things around me and learn. Because if you have to do something, you have to understand that there's always something good in that other person. You just need to understand that, you just need to take that into your life, and you need to keep evolving. You can't be stagnant in life. And that is what I've learned from you, Daddy. I've just been observing you for all the 23 years. And I've been learning so many things from you. The one thing which always excites me, that is love. It's just because of the way you took care of the mom. It was just appreciable. And that is the thing which always left me crave for that feeling of love. Because I've seen you and mom. It was so pure. The way you took care is just unbelievable, man. And that is why I'm such a big believer of love. And that is the only reason I feel the love is the most powerful thing which ever exists in life. And that is why I think I've ended up getting so early into a relationship in my life, because I just love that feeling, love that vibe which you and mom carry. And I seriously feel I was able to have my mom with me for 20 years. One of the biggest reason was you, the way you took care of her, because we all know she was a heart patient, but the way you put in all your energy to ensure that she's living long and she's staying healthy, she's being fine. Seriously, most of the credit goes to you. You were the biggest reason that I was able to be with my mom for 20 years. I know that. I have observed that, and I seriously respect that fact. There were days where if I used to hear your name, I just had fever, that shivering feeling. From that days to now are the days where I just have respect and salute for you. It have been an unimaginable journey, Dad. If you ask me what makes my dad happy, seriously, I don't have an answer. He's so simple. Nothing excites him that much. But one thing I can assure you, the old songs, whenever he helps people around him, he feels so happy. Seriously. And that is what I have been. There were days where I remember that he used to listen old songs. Obviously, I was a child back then. He used to listen old songs. And I used to be like, Sab kya sun rahe ho? And then he used to get angry. Now are the days where I know each and every song which he hears. And now I prefer that songs which he used to hear back then, because now I understand the meaning of that songs. So yes, life changes for the better. And the biggest thing which I think I got from you is staying selfless. Whatever you do for someone, you do it with no expectation. You do it selflessly. That is what helped me in life. You have to stay selfless. Seriously, I couldn't have asked for a better person around me than you. I know you don't believe in speaking that much. We are totally opposite that way. You are so simple. I am though. I don't have any words. You are completely different. I can't be you. I can't work like you. I'm trying to make you proud. I want to make you proud. I want to give you a life with too much of happiness. Like, I know how much struggle you have done in your life throughout. It's been 46 years you have been struggling. I just want to change that days. I just want to put you in a position where you don't have any sort of financial pressure. I hope I'll end up doing that. Thank you so much, Daddy, for all the amazing experience. I know life has changed big time, from pop, from Daddy, from fear to pop. Nowadays, I call him Pop. You have been an amazing person. Life has changed for both of us the moment we lost the mom, because we both know that that was the one thing which kept us going, which had an different sort of energies. But yes, we are trying to support each other, and we'll do definitely. You are the backbone. Just be with me. Just be by my side. And I seriously want to just tell that I was so grateful to have you by my side, just because you never tried to dominate my life or tried to dominate the things which I wanted to do. You just never had any oppositions. Don't do this, don't do that. In fact, you were the one who always came to me and like, don't study so much, don't take so much of pressure. Thank you, but trust me, I'm going to change your life. I'm going to. And there's so many things which I've learned from you. The way you used to take care, like in the house, even after working so hard, is impressive. And if you have to say me to sum up, like for your dad, one word, it's not possible. There are no words available. There's one salute available. There's one this available. Thank you, Dad. Happy Father's Day. You're the biggest inspiration in my life. Just keep smiling. Thank you for bearing with me. I love you, Dad.